Hello, my name is Tony Wasco, and this is my grant video for Casey's Cash for Classroom grant about the use of Boddle to enhance the learning experience for students. My organization is Will County 92, and our technology objectives are to provide effective learning by empowering students to be critical thinkers and problem solvers through technology, integrating technology into the curriculum to enhance learning experiences, promoting digital literacy and responsible technology use, ensuring equitable access to technology for all students, regardless of background, and supporting personalized learning through technology tools and resources. The need issue in the classroom. There is a lack of knowledge about prefixes and suffixes and how it could change a word's meaning, since the subject is not heavily focused on in the lower elementary levels. The lack of knowledge in morphology instruction with affixes and root words can cause students to struggle with understanding new vocabulary words, writing, and their reading abilities. This can be an issue since state testing requires that students understand what prefixes and suffixes are and how it could change the word's meaning. So, how can we fix it? We can address it by using an application that could provide the extra support and resources students need. It is called Boddle, and it is an adaptive gaming program that requires students to answer questions, to play games, go on quests, and get their own Boddle characters. So, how does Boddle work? Teachers can assign students specific Common Core standards to focus on or allow them to use a placement test that puts them in their appropriate math reading range. Students can create their own Boddle character and play various games with questions given to them or assigned by the teacher. So, for example, standards and skills assigned in Boddle. So, in this case, prefixes and suffixes, the number of questions, questions presented in the app. And what's nice is when it gets it wrong, if a student gets it wrong, it can provide an explanation for them. It also provides video and provides audio for students as well for meeting the diverse needs of students. So, why use Boddle? Boddle incorporates two major technology trends that have been helping teachers in providing the support their diverse classroom needs. One, it has adaptive learning. Boddle is consistently updating and provides feedback for students in real time. Based on the progress and data, teachers can modify or assign specific standards for students to work on independently. It helps to personalize students' learning and help them to build skills they just learned or struggled with in school. Next, it has gamification. Boddle allows students to create their own character and then venture into the Boddle world. They can play a variety of mini games in order to win points and prizes they need to answer 3 questions correctly. The use of games gets students engaged and interactive with the app by using what they learn to answer questions and improve their skills. So, how can it be used in a lesson plan? I did this with a lesson on prefixes and suffixes with my third grade class. So, first, I used Canvas slides like prefixes and suffixes, and then had a prefix puzzle that the students worked on, since I said it acted like a puzzle pieces using those two things. From there, students worked after the worksheet, they went on Boddle. They worked on prefix and suffix questions given to them to identify and understand the meaning of the root words presented to them in the game. When students were done answering the questions, they worked on a Google form to answer questions similar to the ones in Boddle. So for funding for Boddle, well, it has a free app part of it. There is a premium which would help to engage students more in their learning and also provide extra support with math and ELA. So with the membership, it is $70 a year. As of today, there's no money raised. But for 7 teachers in third grade, it would be $490 a year to have teachers get a premium membership. They do offer a 25% off discount for multiple memberships. This can help to bring the price of the membership down, along with benefiting both teachers and students with this engaging and personalized application that is easy to use and access whenever. Funding priority and impact. This funding focuses on the material needs section of Casey's grant application, since the app itself can be added to iPads through things like Clever for teachers and students to easily access. It provides more rewards and incentives for students to achieve while playing the game to make it more engaging and motivating to answer questions and work on tasks. The use of the application like this can be impactful for students since it can build their reading skills, retain the information they learn in class, and bridge gaps in areas Tier 2 and 3 students are struggling in. So for the timeline for Boddle, we would first address and request the use of Boddle with Will County 92's Technology Department and Administration for approval, which should take about 2 weeks. After approval, we present the information about Boddle to the board and its benefits used in the classroom, which they have monthly. Once it's approved by the board, technology can add the app to teacher and students' iPads and through Clever, which should take about 1 to 2 weeks. And then we will have a PD to show teachers how to use and assign skills and standards on Boddle and how students can use it, which should take about half a day. So, overall, this is something that would benefit the students, using that membership to enhance the learning for students so that they could be more motivated to learn and overall have a great time learning in the classroom. Thank you.